What's going on, guys? It's Scully here, and today I have an unboxing from eBay. I forgot. I already opened the boxes, and I want to show you guys my address, so I flipped it over. And yeah, right there. Okay. So I have one. I think that one's the Cyclone Boys, 3x3, and I think this is a Guhong or something. So let's find out this one first. Nice color schemes. Really nice color schemes. I think it's really beautiful color schemes. And, that's one of them. Don, what are you doing here? Messing up my video. Okay, I think this is a Guhong, so I'm gonna open it up. It looks like one. Yep, it's a Guhong. Holding this thing at first is really nice, but it feels a little bit on the loose side. Really on the loose side. That could be a good thing and a bad thing. I mostly think it's a bad thing, just because of, the reason that this thing could pop while I'm, just playing with it. So, that's basically a short little update, guys, and a little unboxing from eBay. And yeah, that's it. So, see y'all later.